Mastering, going fast. Unravel the phrase like a pro. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, going fast. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English fluency, understanding these phrases is key. So, let's get the engines revving and zoom into the world of English expressions. When we hear going fast, the most direct interpretation is about speed. It's often used to describe something or someone moving quickly. Imagine a sports car zooming down the highway or an athlete sprinting at a breathtaking pace. This is going fast, in its literal sense. But going fast isn't just for race cars and runners. In everyday English, this phrase can slip into conversations in various contexts. 1. Time passing quickly. This summer is going fast, isn't it? 2. Items selling quickly. Hurry up. The tickets for the concert are going fast. 3. Quick decision making. We need to make up our mind. Opportunities are going fast. Understanding the context is crucial, as it changes what going fast refers to. It's not just about physical speed. It can also be about availability, time, or chances slipping away. Going fast can carry a sense of urgency or a warning. If someone says, "The cakes are going fast," they suggest that you act quickly if you want one. It's often used to nudge someone to take action before it's too late. Moreover, this phrase can sometimes have a subjective aspect. Feeling time. The weekend goes fast when you're having fun. Observing situations. The new product is going fast. Everyone loves it. Let's put our learning into practice. How would you use going fast in these situations? 1. You're at a store, and there's a sale. 2. You're enjoying a holiday, and it's already Thursday. 3. You're trying to grab concert tickets that are in high demand. Think about it, and don't be afraid to pause the video and practice out loud. Well, that's the speed course on going fast. Remember, phrases like this are common in English, and understanding them can really boost your language skills. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you're a little bit faster in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and don't let those opportunities go fast. Until next time, take care and happy learning.